Take less water. We need thick color. And you just have to ignore all the outlines. The butterfly is mostly black, but we're going to paint the whole wing with these two colors first. So you just ignore the outlines and you will start with your yellow. Take water if you feel the color is feeling thick. Brush without washing it, we'll take a little bit of that orange color. You add it like this random spots. And then clean your brush. With the same brush, you just add some splash of color randomly anywhere. Right, and then just clean your brush with a little bit of water. We're going to mix that. Mixing is also not super even. You can just randomly add those strokes.
So with the same brush.
Same brush. The thicker one, a round brush.
This is good.
Yeah, this is nice. The shading for them is going to be the same. We have the darker color at the base in the center, and it gets lighter here.
Okay.
And the petals are going to look different from each other. That's fine. Some petals will have more of white, some petal will have more of red, or the base color that you're using, right? So it's fine. So we can start with that darker color first, and we can also have two brushes, one for white and one for magenta. Start with the biggest petal. All three of us have different number of petals, so we'll just take the biggest petal on your flower.
So are we doing it with water first?
No, we're not adding water this time. Because it's a thick color, we need to see those brush strokes. So no water to the base. Add water to your color on the mixing palette.
Okay.
So dilute your color over there a little. So the second brush for white. So more than half with the darker shade. And then you just add white over there on top. Let it mix. It will turn a little lighter. and switch between the brushes. Like sometimes you can use the magenta brush, blend it, sometimes the white brush. So those strokes that you see, that will add to the texture of the petal. So first just paint two petals adjacent to each other, show it to me, and then you can just keep on adding color to the rest of the petals. So if you can see here, I painted two petals. One has a darker side, which is next to the lighter side of the second petal.
Okay.
So we don't have to add an outline. The light and dark areas will work to separate the petals.
One of the.
So I'm just taking a bunch of 4 petals and I'm painting them together. The top is mostly the light, the one which is just below the butterfly. Those petals are really lighter. Add more white over there. Now we need some white color after this. We still have white, and if you see those shapes on the wings, we have to fill a few of them with white. If you have that reference with you, you can just have, like, keep that open somewhere, or just some few of these shapes are going to be white. You can just fill that up.
Okay, I see it. Just the ends.
Sea green is like blue green color for you? Ah, no, that's the background color. Take your dark green color. There's no shading in the stem. We just add plain color there. Half of the leaf is going to be shaded with white color. So the green must be a little wet right now also on your paper, so you can just add that white color there. White or yellow or both, yellow and white. Brush which is dry, yellow. Take color just on the tip and you add it like there are pollens here.
Yeah, and I'm listening to her, so I'll follow it.
And then the final step will be with just black color. We have to fill those black spaces on the butterfly.
Okay.
Very thick color here. It should be flowy consistency.
I think peace out. Enjoy. I was in classes all day today, like most of my day went off with classes.
What all classes do you do?
Morning class was like we are doing volunteering in like Sri Vidya. So we had class from 9:30 till 2:30.
Oh,
And then I took a break and then I had my boxing class. I came back, I cooked, and then we started this class.
oh.
I just wanna. My thing is my battery is down. But you'll get more energy after painting. Yeah.